The villain in Heated Rivalry is societal expectations. I will not be elaborating.
Hi, I'm Priah Ferguson.
I'm Nadine Bhabha. And this is Battle of the Fandoms. We'll be given a series of trivia questions based on our shows and fandoms.
I've been a part of my show's universe for 9 years.
I've been a part of my show's universe for less than 1. I think I know maybe more lore than I do trivia. This might be hard for me.
All right, let's get into it. Round 1, our universes.
We'll be answering trivia questions about the Heated Rivalry and Stranger Things universes. Let's go!
Which came first, season 1 of Heated Rivalry or the final season of Stranger Things?
The final season of Stranger Things?
Name 3 kids from the Stranger Things friend group.
Will, Lucas, and Dustin.
Yeah!
If you had to spend a day with one of them, who would you choose?
Dustin!
Erica?
He seems fun.
Yeah. He's the heart of the show.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
What number did Shane Hollander wear on his jersey?
99.
I'm gonna say 13.
1. I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't remember either.
That's not my storyline.
Number 24.
I wasn't retaining that.
What ship name is used for Mike Wheeler and Eleven?
Oh my gosh.
Wellen.
I know it, but I want to say like Mel, like Mike and Maleven.
Maleven. I was never going to get there.
Who said I love you first, Ilya or Shane?
Ilya in Russian.
Не так, как я люблю тебя.
What is Lucas dressed as in Erica's first scene in Stranger Things?
Ghostbusters.
I would have gotten there eventually.
Yeah.
It was a while ago.
It was a minute. At first, I was a little nervous on how, Erica might be perceived. It was only supposed to be a one-time role, but then they ended up writing her in, and she got to do the cool, scary stuff. So I enjoyed it.
Eat your damn pie.
She was also like comedic relief and
Yeah,
things that were
yeah.
just like, also like boy scenes.
Yes.
We needed a little fun sass in there.
The script season 2 was already finalized, and the directors kept finding ways to write me in after my first day.
That's so cute.
Yeah, so that was supposed to be my first and last day.
Round 2, all fandoms.
We'll be answering questions about all iconic fandoms. Okay, let's go.
Name 3 Disney Channel original movies that premiered from 2000 to 2012.
This one.
Lizzie McGuire movie.
Lemonade Mouth.
True Confessions.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I know it, but it's not coming to my head.
Kim Possible. Hell yeah.
Okay.
List 3 famous villains who received their own spin-off.
That received their own spin-off. Is there Cruella?
Oh, Cruella did.
Okay.
She did. She
Yeah.
Well, actually, he had a movie made about him. Joker?
That's a good one.
Yeah. Oh,
Maleficent.
Maleficent. Yeah.
Yes.
I'll be tied. That's cool.
Who is the villain in Heated Rivalry?
The villain in Heated Rivalry is societal expectations. I will not be elaborating.
Round 3, the final showdown.
No repeats, no hesitations. Now I'm panicking.
Name as many characters from your franchise as you can. You have 10 seconds.
Ilya, Shane, Scott, Kip, Elena, Kyle, Maria, Yuna, David, Svetlana, Rose. Okay.
Priya, you have 10 seconds, starting now.
Okay. Will, Lucas, Dustin, Mike, Elle, Matt, Mrs. Wheeler. Okay.
Justice for Barb.
Yeah, Barb, I know. Sorry, Barb.
Recap your series in 15 seconds.
Oh.
Episodes 1 and 2, you're in the back of a race car while you watching them yearn for each other. Episode 3 is the rom-com in the middle. Episode 4 is the tragedy. Episode 5 is one of the greatest episodes of TV you'll ever see because they actually fall in love. And then 6 is like a little port at the end of the dinner.
That was good. Episode 1, they kind of reintroduced everybody. Everybody's in high school. Everybody's seniors. The town is on lockdown. Holly, she got some crazy stuff going on. She's seeing stuff. She's seeing Mr. What's-It. They're trying to create a plan to stop this evil, and that's pretty much what happens throughout the whole season.
You nailed it.
Trying to save Holly.
Yeah.
Go back and forth naming famous fandom names until one of you blanks.
The Carpenters.
Beliebers.
Beehives. Potterheads.
I'm out. I lose.
Yeah, me too. I'm kind of like...
Who do you think won?
If I were to actually choose, I would pick Priah.
Really? I would pick you.
No, you had more to do.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching.
Make sure you check out our 17 cover story.